In this video, I'll show you how to fix apps not working on mobile data on Android. First, make sure mobile data is turned on. Swipe down from the top of your screen, long press the mobile data option, and make sure that mobile data is enabled. Next, check if apps is allowed to use mobile data. Go to settings and then open apps. Inside apps, choose the app that is not working. Then tap mobile data usage and make sure background data and mobile data are allowed. You should also check if data saver is turned on. If data saver is enabled, some apps may not work properly. Go to settings, open network and internet, find data saver and make sure it is turned off or allow the app to use data. And another simple fix is turning airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turning it off again. This refreshes your network connection. If the issue continues, restart your phone and try opening the app again. That's how you fix app not working on mobile data on Android. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides.